In this video you will learn how to design a page like this using the Kadence Block plugin, which is a page builder which is based on Gutenberg, and you can easily build a home page like this from scratch. So let's start the video. So go to your WordPress dashboard and here click on plugin and click on add new. Now here search for Kadence Blocks and install this plugin and activate this plugin. Now go to the pages section and here create a new page. Now let's add the title to home and let's publish this page first. So let's take the permalink and publish this page. Now go back to the dashboard and here go to settings and click on reading. Now here you have to set a static page as a home page. So select the home page here and click on save changes. Now let's refresh this page again. As you can see, the home page is added. So let's go to the pages section and select the home page. So here click on edit and let's first do some basic setting here. So click on this icon and here you have to enable the transparent header, and you can disable the page title here and leave all the settings default, and let's update this. Now let's refresh this page again. As you can see, the transparent header is activated and the page title is gone. So let's start the home page design. So here click on add block and here you have to search for row layout. So this is basically a container that helps you to add different sections in that container. So let me just select a 2 equal container from here, and here you have to add the design. So let's go to the template first and we will be using this as a sample. So let me just copy this title from here and here click on the plus icon and add the advanced heading. Now let's paste this heading. Now click on enter. Now copy the paragraph from here and let's paste this here. Now you have to add a button like this. So just add the button like try for free. So here click on the plus icon and add the advanced button. Let me just add it like try for free, and you can also add additional buttons. So click on show more setting and click on add button, and let's add the second button like watch video. So let me just add the name. Okay, we have added the first section and let's add the second image in the right section. So click here and search for image and click on media library. Here I have uploaded the all images in the media library, or you can select the upload file and upload the image from your computer. So let me just select the image. The image is added. Now let's add a padding in the top and bottom of this container. So here you have to select the first row layout option and here you have to add a margin from the top and bottom. So let me just add a top margin of 120 and a bottom margin of 100. Now scroll down and here you will see this option background setting. So let's add a background color from here, and as you can see the background color is added. Now you can select this first section. So just click on this icon and here click on the first section. So it will select the first section. Now click on this button vertical align to align middle. Now click on the second section and set the vertical align to align middle. Now close this and here click on this first heading and here you will see this option heading color. So let me just change it to white. Now let's click on the second heading and let's change the text color from here. Now click on the button and here you have to change the button styling from here. So click on the button 1 setting and let's change the button color. So here as you can see, the button color is green and the text is white, and here added the arrow color and the hover color. So let's do this. So let me just add the text color to white and set the background color to green. Now let's add a border color of white. Now scroll down and you can set the border radius. So I will select the border radius to 30 so that you will see a round effect. Now scroll down and you can add a icon here. So let me just add this icon, and you can set this icon size. So I will leave this as default, and you can also shift the icon position from left or right. Right is good. Now change the second button setting. So click on here and let's change the button like this. So click on here and let me just add the text to white, and I will set the background color to blue so that it will match the background color. And I will remove the border color. So here click on white and let's make it transparent so that the border will be gone. And here you can also set the border width to 0, and you don't need border radius here. Now scroll down. Here you have to search for a icon. So I will search for like play. You will see this different icon. So let me select this icon. Now the button is added just like this, but there is one problem. When I hover over this icon, there is a black background showing in this button. So let's go to this color section and here click on hover, and let's remove this background. So I will select it, match the background color. I will remove the border color, and as you can see, when I hover this, the background black color is gone. You can also add a link to this. So here I will link to home page, or I will link to sample post. So click on here, and here you can add a YouTube video like this. So let me just copy a YouTube link. So when I click on this, there is a video pop-up showing here. So let me just add the video link here. So copy this link, go to the edit page, and here click on the second button. Now here you have to select the button link. So just paste this, and here in the drop down menu you have to click on the video pop-up so that it will pop up the video window when a user click on this button. Now let's update this. Now let's preview these changes. As you can see, the text is looking odd and this button is not in the left align. So let's fix this. So go to edit page, and here you have to select the entire column. So you can also select from here. So click on row layout, and here you have to click on this icon, inner content width. So let's click on theme width so that it will automatically adjust the width, and let's click on the button section. So here you can select this from here. So let's click on the advanced button here, and let's click on the left align. Now let's publish this page first. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see, this is looking quite good. You can also adjust the text size from here. So let me just go to this, and here click on the fast heading, and here you can change the font size. So let me just change the font size, and here click on the second paragraph, and here you can change the font size. So here you can add it font size like 25, or here I will select to 20. Now let's update this, and let's go to the page, and here you can add a background layer to your hero section. So let's go to the edit page, and here select the entire section. Now click on the background setting, and here you can add a background image. So click on image, and this is the background image. So let's select this. So as you can see, the background image is added in this hero section. So you can also adjust the size. I will leave this default. You can also force background image inline so that it will prioritize the background images and load the hero section image fast. So here I will leave this default, and here click on background overlay, and you can add a gradient effect in this background. So just click on gradient, and here you can add a different color and set the gradient style like linear or radial. As you can see, there is a gradient effect in this home page, so you can do that by adding the color from here. So let me just this later, and here you will add a divider like this. So click on divider, and here click on select divider. So let me just search for that divider. So here it is, and as you can see, the divider is added. Now the hero section is almost ready. So let's update this first, and let's refresh this page again. And as you can see, the hero section is ready, and there is one problem here. The watch button background is not looking good, so let's fix this. So here click on the button and click on the button to setting, and let's remove the background color from here. Now let's update this. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see, the button is fixed now. And you can also change the hover background color. So change this quick, click on the hover option, and let's remove the background color. Now let's update this. So when I click on the watch video button, it will load the video in this pop-up. So the hero section is almost finished. So let's check how you can add this section like this. So here I will use a feature pack section. So go to edit section, and here click on the plus icon, and let's add a row layout again. And here in this case I will select the 3 equal layout, and here click on the first layout, and here search for info box. So let me just select the info box, and let's add this again. And in this way you can add the 3 section like this. So just click on the whole section. So click on the row layout and click on the use inner theme content, and here you can change the title. So let me just quickly change the title from here. Now let's change the icon from here. So just click on this box and scroll down, and here you will see an option called media setting. So here you can either use icon, image, number. So here by default it is set to icon. So let me just remove this icon and select the icon from here. So you can select any icon from here. So click on second box and scroll down and click on media setting, and here add a icon. So you can also add like customize or search like edit, and let me just add a random icon from here. Now click on the third box and scroll down, and in the media setting let's remove this icon first, and I will search for like mobile, and let's add this. So we have added 3 sections, so you can duplicate this section. So let me just select the row layout, and here I will click on duplicate so that it will add more section, and here you can edit this layout. So let's update this. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see, this section is added. So you can also add a margin and padding in the top and bottom of this section. So let me just show you. So here click on the first row layout, and here click on padding and margin. So by default it is set to 25. So let me set it to 50, and I don't change the margin from the bottom. So let's click on the second row layout, and here let's add a bottom margin of 50. Now let's update this. Now refresh this page. As you can see, there is a margin at the top and bottom. Now let's add another section. So there is a section like this. So let's go to the edit page, and here I will select a row layout, and here I will add a 2 section in this row layout. So one is for image and this, and second is for the text. So let me just select 2 by 2, and here I will add a image first. So here in the click on the plus icon and search for image, and let's upload this image from here. So let me just add the image like this. Now here in this plus icon, click on the advanced heading. Let me just copy this heading and paste it here. Now add a paragraph, and here click on enter, and now paste the paragraph. Now you can also add a button like this, learn more. So let me just click on the plus icon, and here click on advanced button, and here I will type learn more. And here click on the button setting, change the button text to black, and let's change the background to blue. Let's change the background button text to white. Now let's remove the border, and here click on hover. Now let's change the hover background to green. So when I hover this button, it will show a green background in the button. Now let's remove the button border, and here in the remove the button border will not removing. So what I can do is just remove the opacity from here. Now click on this row layout, and let's set top and bottom margin from here. So let me just top margin of 50 and add a bottom margin of 50. Now let's update this. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see, this section is added, but it is looking odd. So let's fix this width. So just click on the whole row layout, and here click on this button and click on use theme width. Let's click on this first section. So here click on the first section, and let's select to align middle, and here click on the second section. So here click on section and set it to align to middle. Now let's update this, and one more thing, let's align this button to left and add a border radius. So let's scroll down, and here you will see an option called border radius. So let me just set to 30. Now let's update this. Now refresh this page here. Now we have added this section. As you can see, the first section is complete. So let's duplicate the second section from here. So here click on this plus button, and let's select a row layout, and here also select 2 by 2 row layout, and let me just select the theme width first, and let's add a image in the right section. So click on this and search for the image, and let's edit image from the media library, and here in this case I will select the second image. Let's select this. Now add the text in the left side. Just copy this, and here click on plus icon, search for advanced heading, paste this. Now click on enter. Now let's copy this paragraph, and let's paste it here. Now add a button. So you can also add button like this, put slash and search for button. Now click on advanced button, and let's add it like learn more. Or you can also do one thing, you can copy this button from here. So select this button, and here click on copy. So let's remove this button from here. Let's click on enter, and let's paste this button. Now you have to select the whole left section from here. So click on section, and let's select to align to middle. Click on this section and set the align to middle. You can also add a background color in this section. So let me just select the whole row layout from here, and let me just add a margin at the top and bottom. So I will add top margin of 50, and add a bottom margin of 50. Now let's select the background color. Let's add a gray background like this. Now scroll down and let's add the third section. In the same way, click on row layout and let's select the 2 by 2. And here in this case, I select the image in the left section. So just add the image. So I will select this image, and here I will select this first section and set it to align to middle. Now click on the second section and let's click on advanced heading. Let's copy this third heading and let's paste it here. Now click on enter. Now click on this paragraph, copy this and paste it here. Now let me just add the button. So here I will select the button, copy this, and here I will paste the button. Now you have to select the whole section. So you just click on this and here you will click on section, or you can do this from here. Click on the whole section and let's click on align to middle. Now you can click on whole row layout and set the row width to its theme inner width. Let's update this. Press this page again, and as you can see, the P section is added. So let me just open this in mobile view. Click on inspect. Let's scroll down, and here as you can see, the first image and the section is looking good, and the second section, the images is showing in the bottom. So we have to shift it to the top in the mobile view, and the third section is good. So you go to the edit section, and here as you can see, the left images are showing in the top and the right images are showing in the bottom in the mobile view. So just select the whole section and let's click on the mobile view, and here you have to select the collapse order to right to left. Now let's update this. Now let's refresh this page. Now let's take the mobile view again, scroll down, and here as you can see, the images are showing in the top, although it is added in the right section. So in this way you can easily adjust the mobile view, and this section is ready. Let's check how you can add this section like this. Now to add a section like this, you need to add a row layout and add this section. So to do this, go to the edit page and here click on row layout and click on single row layout. Now click on add block and click on browse all. Here you can add a testimonial section like this, and here you can set different style of testimonial. So I will select this, and here you can add a heading and you can add a paragraph, and you have to add the image like this, or you can also add different style of testimonial here. So let me just add the heading here. So just copy this heading from here. Now change it here. Now let's copy the paragraph, paste it here. Let's upload the image, and as you can see, the image is uploaded. Now let's copy the text. Now let's copy the second text from here. Now you have to add a background color in this section. So before that, let's select the whole row layout and here click on the background setting, and here I will add a blue background. So you have to change the text color. So now click on this testimonial, scroll down, and here you will see the option title setting. So here you can change the color to white, and you can also change the font size, font height from here. Scroll down, and here in the rating you can do a rating like this. So I will not add the rating here, so let's close down, and here click on content, and let me just change the content color to white. Now close this and click on name setting, and let's change the name setting to white. Now click on occupation setting and set it to. So in this way you can add a section like this. Now scroll down, and you can also add a content shadow and wrapper padding, but I will not do this. So now select the whole row layout from here, and here scroll down and let me just add the divider. So let's just add a divider like this. To do this, select the divider. Here select the divider that you want to add in the bottom. So here in this case I will add this divider and click on top button. So click on select divider and you can select any top divider from here. So let me just select the best suitable option, and this divider is looking good. So let's just add a padding and margin so that it will looks perfect in this screen. So let me just add a top padding of 80 and let me just add a bottom padding of 80, and as you can see this section is added. Read this. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see this section is added. So you can use any of the divider, top and bottom divider, in your home page. So let's edit this. You can also add different section like FAQ or newsletter section in your home page. So let me just show you how you can do that. So you don't need to build a section like this. So you can use a design library that you get in Kadence theme. So here you will see different section, like you can add a contact form in this section. So let me just select this, and as you can see the contact form section is added. So in this way you can add different section to your home page. Here just click on design library, and here as you can see there is a FAQ section. So just click on it, and as you can see the FAQ section is added in the home page. Suppose I want to add a newsletter section to the home page. So here I will select the design library, and here in this category option let's click on form, and here click on the contact us form. Now edit this form. So here I will select this contact us and change it to newsletter. Now let's click on the message icon and let's delete this section. Now here in the send message I will change it to subscribe. Now here scroll down and click on the button style. Now here I will set it to full. Now click on this form and scroll down and click on the action after submit. So here you can set different email marketing tool like Mailer, Lightflow and CRM, or you can integrate MailChimp. But to integrate MailChimp you need to purchase the pro version. But if you want to integrate MailChimp in the free Kadence theme, then you have to install the MailChimp plugin, and here you will see this option to integrate MailChimp in this form. So the form is added. So let's add a background from here. So here click on background setting and let's add the background. Click on here and let me just add a light gray background like this. Now let's update this. Now let's refresh this page, and as you can see the newsletter section is added. So in this way you can design a home page from scratch and edit it according to your own need and the niche you are working on. I hope you got the idea how to build a home page like this using the Kadence theme and Kadence block builder, and you don't need to add any page builder like Elementor that slow down your website, and you can easily build your home page using this Gutenberg builder, and it will improve your page speed and make it core web vital friendly. And if this video helps, then hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And you can also join our Telegram community, and the link will be given in the description. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.